Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by QT Hair. It's a brand that I've worked with before. I did some crochets with their hair. It was like this really pretty afro style that I was enjoying, and they decided to link up with me again and share a new wig. So sorry about the box. I think my FedEx guy was just like tossing my box all around, but doesn't matter. The wig is still good. So this is the unit. It looks like it's a cute little brown bob. And then I got a wig cap inside as well as some styling materials. So I love this brush. This is one of my favorite type of brushes. I used to hate when my mom would pull this brush out when I was young. This is the brush that literally like scrapes your brain away, but I love this type of brush. And you can never have too many edge control brushes or rat tail combs. So let's take a look at the wig. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I looked at my analytics and 82% of you all watch my videos and aren't subscribed. So hit the subscribe button, it's free and it helps the channel out with this crazy algorithm. So we got a bob right here, closure bob. So I love closures. They're so much easier to work with than frontals. You don't have to do a whole lot to make a closure look good. So really pretty brown shade. It's almost like a reddish brown. I really like this color. Nice for the season, for the summer, and it'll go nicely into the fall. This is the color I like to wear my natural hair in the fall. So I'm definitely loving this bob, and it feels nice and full and thick, which is great because sometimes bobs can just be super thin. So we got an elastic band. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this because it looks like it could use to be a little tighter for me. And we've got a comb in the back and our adjustable straps. Let's see if we have combs on the side. No combs on the side, but a comb at the top. So I may have to just use some bobby pins on the side. So we don't have any pre-bleached knots, but since it's brown, I don't feel like I need to do pre-bleached knots. So I'm just gonna use my makeup, my liquid foundation, use a brush and brush that in, and then maybe just pluck a little bit of this hair out, but I will show you guys all that in the next clip. So just to come in with a quick voiceover, this is my foundation. This is liquid foundation and it is the same color as my skin tone. It's the foundation I use for my face. So here I'm using the Ebin Lace Melting Spray. I'll leave a link down below. I do get this from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. I just use it to lay my lace down, and then I will spray it again before I put my lace melt band on. This is my GLEEmade wax stick. This is also available on Amazon. You can also get it from GLEEmade.com. It's the best wax stick on the market. And it just helps to lay your parting space down and keep your wig in place. And I'm using my Babyliss flat iron just to straighten out the hair and to just give it a light bump at the bottom. And that's all I did for this part. Once I remove the lace melt band, I do comb through the hair just to take that hardness and that cast away to make it a little softer. And then I start laying my baby hairs. I'm using the Edge Edge Style Pro or something. I can't remember what it's called, but I will leave it down below. I do get this from Amazon as well. I'm just using my baby hair brush to go ahead and lay down my baby hairs and get them exactly where I want them. And that's pretty much the end of the style. When I wear my closures, I always lay down my own sideburns, my natural hair sideburns, just in case I want to put the hair behind my ears so it still has, you know, a polished look. And this is the end result. I did my makeup, just something slight, really natural look. I love how this wig came out. This is a beautiful wig. I love the fullness and the density of it. And I love how easy it is to style. I've been wearing it for a couple of days now. It's a really easy throw on style because of the closure. Highly recommend it. I'll leave links down below so you can check it out. Make sure you're subscribed, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.